guys, so today I am leveling my new rare account. My main is my normal account and there's so much left, so I'm just make a rare account. If I have a diamond pack, I will send a VIP ticket to here, so don't worry. I don't know if I should I don't know if I should buy a diamond pack. I don't know if I can, but yeah. So shout out to that basic rare trader. Oh, she's such a nice person. And yeah, oh my gosh, I forgot that's a boy. Oh, hell no. Sorry. So yeah, I'm just gonna level this account. I'll become level 4. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's coming after 3. That's so rude. Oh. Okay. Okay, so now I need to add someone, I guess. Okay. Just gonna click on yeah, oh, she got all of her. Just gonna add 2. Go add my new rare account if I didn't say it. It's called Spicy. I'm putting the link. I'm gonna put the name down below so you can also add it. It's then called money, but I'm just gonna say it. Hey, just going on my main. Yeah. So, my friend was asking me how I do. There's things in the name. If you see this, I am doing it with the MSP app and with the Blockster app. So yeah, it's actually really fast to make. Oops. I thought I will record with Camtasia, but it didn't work. So, yeah, just gonna accept me. If she's a rare trader, I'm just accepting rare traders. Sorry. What is she? I never go first. Me either. So. Oh, hi Hypnotic. Didn't she accept it? I'm just gonna add stargazing because she's nice. Stargazer. Actually, what the fuck? Jiggleish, huh? Word. Oh, I'm just gonna give me an autograph. Yeah, I'm actually level 4. I'm just gonna choose this. I'm just gonna go back. I wrote. Look, I'm a pro. Who was the first? I don't know, Johnny. I don't know. Oh, actually, I got fame. That's good. Okay, next, I'm just gonna go to casting, cause, yeah, it's really nice. Clap dance and love sneaking. No way. What? She won't? Bitch, who you talking to? Okay, this. Okay, pointing when you go block punch. Look how I do this. Football. Body explosion. Block punch. No. Football. Body explosion. What? How? She cheated. Okay. Spagat. Block punch. Splits. Block punch uppercut. Thank you. How you mad? What? Close eyes. Eyes closed. Twerk. Robot. Scared. Robot moves. Thank you. Okay, what do we get? Wave. Split. Rock. What? Wave, split, handgesture. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Bang. Backward. Gunshot. Backwards. Oh, I did it wrong. Okay, no one cares. So, yeah, let's do this. just gonna pause cause I can't record in 5 minutes, so just gonna pause right now. And so yeah. Okay guys, I think that was with the video. I hope you enjoyed. It was a little short video, but I guess no one cares, right? So yeah. What can I say? I mean, I don't know. I'm just gonna send me later a little bit of rares. You can also send me rares. That would be great. And yeah, I am doing a rare MT, if you don't know, right? I just think 0 of 5. So yeah, you need more gifts. So actually, please send it to Spicy, this account, and send the rares, or I don't know, to Spicy. So yeah, just gonna send me this Fame Lady dress, and then I'm just gonna send it back, cause I want to get level 6, yeah? So, here it is. Just gonna think about this, cause I didn't get any shoes on. No. Actually make it white. And this either, and this either. Yeah, it looks cute. Oh. Didn't I get this? I don't know, so I'm just gonna make it again. Danke. Sorry. Actually looks cute. I'm just gonna let it like that. Okay, bye guys!